Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jeff in Ohio on this Galaxy DX959b. Jeff got it ready to go for you, bud. Just our basic tuning alignment. Got your little right angle adapter ready to go as well. You got RF power adjustment on here. Of course, it's upper lower sideband, clarifier, talkback. There's many mods you can do to these. A lot of guys want the clarifier unlocked, some don't. You can add extra channels to them via kit or chip jump. You can wideband transmit receive, so forth. But they're just a single final radio, so they work great with some of your amplifiers that are like a one driving forward, so forth. Okay, let's start with our power all the way down. 25 watt slug. I set it 1 watt all the way down. That way, if you decide to run amp, you get full adjustability. 5 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low, about 11 or 12 bird. 50 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. About 28, 29 PEP. Alright, Jeff, gonna get it out to you, but I appreciate it much. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.